Hi, I'm LaFond, product specialist for LUTZE, and I'm here today to talk about the LUTZE cable knife, a specialty tool for stripping and prepping cables. So come on, I'll show you how it's done and how we get wired for what matters. In today's video, we are going to talk about the LUTZE cable knife and demonstrate how to strip the jacket off two of our dry flex cables. One, a 2-gauge size cable, and the other, a 16-gauge size cable. You'll notice on the packaging label that this knife can cut with diameters between 8 millimeters to 35 millimeters, or in inches, from 0.32 to 1.37 inches. Now it's time to prep the cable knife. For the smaller 16-gauge cable, we'll be using the smaller bracket. You can easily change out the bracket simply by using a flathead screwdriver, or even the corner of the other bracket included. Simply push down the button here, and this will slide right out. Now take the correct size bracket, snaps right in here, and you are good to go. Along with the bracket, it is also important that your cable blade is set up properly. This knife allows you to adjust the cutting depth of the blade using this wheel here. Turning it counterclockwise will retract the blade. Turning it clockwise will expose the blade more. Now we are ready to start stripping the cable. I have adjusted the blade for the appropriate jacket thickness of the 16-gauge cable. And now I will show you how to make an end cut using the cable knife. I have placed the cable underneath the bracket here. And from here, you can simply rotate the cable knife in any direction towards you or against you. Remove the knife and simply pop the jacket off. This cable knife is also ideal for window cuts, as it does not require any extra adjustments to the process. Let me show you how. Simply start by placing your cable where you want your first cut to be. Make the cut. From here, just pull linearly across the cable to where you want your cut to end. Make another cut. Remove your cable blade. And simply pull off your jacket. Now for the 2-gauge size cable, I have installed the larger size bracket and adjusted my blade depth to compensate for the thicker jacket wall. Let me show you how easy it is to make an end cut. Similar to the 16-gauge size cable, we're going to place our cable inside the bracket, rotate the knife, and simply remove the jacket. And there you have it.